Talking Tom 2, Surprise Eggs Animation.
Let's DJ.
What next? The blue egg. What egg? Gabby!
Gabby Cats? Are you ready to sing one of my favorite songs? Then let's do it!
What next? The red egg. Candy pie!
Hi, it's me.
Candy pie!
What next? The pink egg. Kika!
The over, under, and through obstacle course.
How does it work?
There are 3 different kinds of obstacles, and there's a special way you have to move to get past each one.
You're welcome. She wants us to ride on her back. Alley-oop.